Ta-da! Hi guys, welcome back to Fat Boys RC. How's it going on out there in the real world? Hope you're doing all right. It's a lovely day here. It's a bit cold. I think I saw a brass monkey outside. Right, here on the channel, we love a bit of crawling. We've done little reviews on different crawlers across the time. And there's so many shapes and sizes available. We've got the big guys, that's a 1/10, although I mean you can get 1/6 and 1/7 and everything like that. That's WL Toys, it's been fully upgraded. Got the XESC motor, all that sort of stuff in it. That's a brilliant crawler. Then you come sort of down to another sort of size. This is a 1/18. Now I love a mini beast. This is a 1/18 crawler from FMS. You get things like this, you get the TRX4Ms from Traxxas and things like that, which although they are small, they are still mighty. This one's got a full metal chassis, a 2-speed gearbox, oil-filled shock absorbers, portal axles, everything you really want from a little RC crawler. Now down at Medway RC, where I race, as I often plug on here, we're actually putting in a 1/18 crawler course. So over the next few months, keep clear for that, we'll do a video. Hopefully that'll be up and running soon and we'll be able to do the 1/18 crawling inside. At the moment, I'll be using this down the woods and everything. It's great, but not really what it's designed for. And then you go right down to the other end of the scale with things like the LDRC. Now this is about as much fun as you can have with a crawler for £30. £30 as opposed to something like £180 for this. £250 for something like this, but if you upgrade it, you're going to be looking at 400. So although these all do things that they're supposed to do, you know, it's a little fun crawler. I mean, we've had some decent fun with that little thing. This is a more capable crawler. And then you've got your big boys that you go down the woods or you go up the rocks or you do everything. Now today we're looking at something in the middle. My son Josh decided he would go and get himself another kit because he loves to build a kit a bit like I do myself. And he's gone for something that's in the middle. So hopefully we've got a compromise between the cheap and the expensive. And he's gone for the Outback XP Mini, which is a 1/18 crawler from FTX. Now, this comes in a few guises, built to go, ready to run with a 2-speed, all that kind of stuff. This is the kit that you can buy if you want to build it up yourself. So I thought we'd have a little look what you get in the box. So obviously straight away, there's your FTX box. When you open it up, you're going to have the look again. So go, oh, so excited! I've got a box. It's got stuff in it. And go, oh, that's not a car. That's a box full of bits. Right, so what do we get in our box? First thing we get, a little screwdriver, little wrench, instruction manual, which obviously you're going to have to follow, and guarantee stuff. Then you're greeted with a myriad of bags and bitses. So let's have a look at what we get in the bags and bitses. So that is the original axle, that's the portal axle. So the portal axles and the drive shafts are already built there, so that's there. What next? Got a one-piece chassis there with the shocks already attached to it. The shocks look pretty lightweight, but it is a 1/18 crawler. I should imagine there are some upgrades available for that. But you've got your one-piece chassis there, already built up for you. And ready to go. Then what else do we get? Obviously we've got the little motor there, which I do believe is one of those 190 motors, with your single transmission gearbox, which is already built. This has got metal gears as well, and your drive shafts are attached, so it's a matter of putting those together. Then there's another bag here, and in this bag we have the back assembly, which is the frame to the back, like the trailer type of looking part of the truck, with the spare wheel on it. We have a clear body shell on there and all the stickers available for doing it up afterwards. Now this is obviously because it's a kit, we've got to build this, or Josh is going to build this. Maybe he'll put a video on for me and I can show you. And then we have the tyres and the mirrors. Now there is 4 tyres there with foam inserts. They are also bead locked wheels, which are very important when you're crawling. Obviously helps with traction and stuff like that. But one of the nice things with this kit, they give you the 4-piece brass wheel set. So basically you've got these metal rings here that go inside the tyres and give you weight on the front, on the wheels, which helps with stability when you're crawling over obstacles. Some people will tell you not to have rotational weight on the wheels. I don't think it's really going to matter on something this sort of size. So that's about everything you get in the bag, apart from, of course, this bag of electrical stuff. Now in the bag of electrical stuff, you've got what looks to be a little standardised controller. You've got a 600 milliamp hour 7.4 volt LiPo battery in there. So you've got a little LiPo in there. You've got a micro servo sitting in there. You've got a little baby charger sitting in there. So in there, you've got everything you need to start or ready to run the car. All it's going to take is a bit of patience, a bit of imagination, and you can build this up and you'll have a decent little crawler, hopefully. We'll have to see how that goes. Once Josh has got it all built up, painted and all that sort of stuff, I'll show it to you again. And do like a little first run video. We'll take it out, we'll compare it against the FMS and things like that, because obviously you're looking at a much cheaper car, so if it's capable enough and does all that, it's going to be good value. So £109 for a model sport. Anyway, so I hope you like that little unboxing video. Obviously tune in next time for the video on the actual car. Thanks for watching. Back with what I'll say. Remember, if you like the videos, like the videos. Subscribe to my lovely channel. Make my life happy by giving me stuff to do during the day other than my job, which I'm very busy at, and I'm always doing this and I should be doing my job. But there you go, because I like this. Anyway, thanks again for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers. Bye-bye.